everyone, Hayley here. Hope you're well. Happy New Year. So as promised in my what I got for Christmas video, I promised to do an unboxing of my Cruelty Free Beauty Box. And I've been that busy that I haven't had a chance to look at it. I was hoping to get this video up last week, but unfortunately I've been really ill, so apologies if I cough at all during this video. So yeah, I thought I'd unbox this with you and show you what you get. So for anyone that hasn't heard of this company, they offer a subscription service like you can with loads of other subscription companies out there. There's loads now, isn't there? Like Ipsy and BoxyCharm, and you know, there's loads. But they are a new company that launched last year, back end of 2016 maybe, and they guarantee just that all of the products they supply, whether it be their beauty box or their skincare box, will all be from cruelty free brands. So they want us to discover the best of cruelty free makeup. It's a subscription service. You can sign up for a month, 6 months, or you can have it on a rolling basis. And they ship to Europe, USA and Canada, I believe. And boxes are shipped on the 10th of every month. So this is my box I got for Christmas. So I think this must be January's box or maybe December's box. But I'm just looking on their website too, so I can tell you how much it is. So you can either pick your beauty box, your makeup box. So your beauty box will contain skincare, makeup, hair care, fragrance, bath, body and more. Or the makeup box is a makeup only box. Each box contains 5 full size, travel size and sample size products. But they also have some of the products available to buy individually on their website as well. And they value in varying prices. So the beauty box varies from $14.95 up to £84. The makeup box $19.95 up to a value of £112, which I think is really nice. You can change the amount depending on how much you've got to spend each month. But that's enough of that. So like I say, this is the box. Really nice that it's just cardboard, so you can recycle it, and the glitter bunny on the front. So if I open it up, you get a little leaflet with about all of the information. This is box number 8. This is December's box. Now, obviously, I got mine for Christmas. So, like I say, there's the information card that tells you about all the products. There's a little Happy Christmas message in there, and a little thing to tell me that it was a gift subscription. And then there's a note to say, hey beautiful, just a quick note to say thank you and welcome on board. We can't wait to show you the treasures of the cruelty free and vegan world. We want to say a huge thank you for being with us on our cruelty free journey. Without you, this wouldn't be possible, and without you, we wouldn't be able to make a change. We hope you love your first box. Lots of love, the Cruelty Free Beauty Box team, which I think is really nice. So let's get on with the products. So where's the information card? So I think I will start with this one. This is a full size product. This is Medusa's Makeup Cruelty Free Lip Paint in the colour Hanky Panky, I think, if I've read that right. And it says it's a liquid matte lipstick in a matte finish that lasts all day. Like I say, it's a full size product, and that's the colour. Really nice that it's all sealed, so you know that it's not been used. So let's just whip that off. I'll do a quick swatch of it. Oh, nearly knocked the camera over. Oh, actually, it looks, I don't know if you can tell, it looks quite dark in there, but when, I should have taken my watch off, but if I swatch it, it's like a mauvey, reddy purple colour, which is really nice. It's got just a little doe foot applicator, which actually looks like it might be quite precise to use. The colour's really pretty actually, and the product is jam-packed in there. It's like filled right to the rim there, so you get a good amount of product in there. That is, like I say, a full size product, and that normally retails at £10. Next we've got Cougar eyeshadow. Again, this is full size. Oh, that's clever. So this says, when creating their mineral makeup range, Cougar chose the most natural form of minerals available and at the best quality. Their formulations are created to provide silky, even, versatile, long-lasting and easy to apply products that are lightweight yet offer full coverage without being damaging to the skin. These soft, smooth and easy to apply loose mineral eyeshadows are perfect for adding some colour and sparkle to your eyes. Loose pigment is something I haven't really used a lot of, but I don't know if you'll be able to pick up on the colour from there. It looks like a really nice, like, bronzy copper colour, so I'm intrigued to try that. So next we've got a brush from Cougar. This is their double-ended application brush. It says this multi-function tool will help you create the perfect look. And actually, there's like quite a fluffy end here, and there's a stiffer flat end, so that might actually come in useful for when you want to pack on the colour. What have we got next? We've then got a PHB Pressed Mineral Blush. This actually states it's vegan as well on the front, so that's the packaging. Open it up. Oh, it's got a really nice mirror, and that's the colour of the blush. Just swatch up that. See if I can get this to show up on camera. Oh, actually, that might work more as a bronzer on me. That's really nice. I like that. That's the colour there. So I definitely have to try that out because it's a darker colour than I'd normally wear, but nice to have something different. And that mirror is actually a really useful size, so that's good. A bit more about that. So the pH Ethical Beauty Pressed Powder. That again is a full size, and it just says, say hello to a radiant glow with these 100% natural mineral blushes with a soft and silky texture and buildable colours that complement all skin tones. Handmade using higher performance minerals that are actually good for your skin. Provides beautiful coverage suitable for even the most problematic skin. Looks and feels completely natural. Enhance your natural beauty while nourishing and protecting your skin, which is really good. And I think the fact that it complements a lot of different skin tones is also a plus as well. And then I've also got a full size Mana Qatar Beauty Precision Point Eyeliner. Don't know what colour it is. So this is the packaging. Really nice colours. Bit of rose gold on there. We all love a bit of rose gold, don't we? And then this is the eyeliner. That's the writing on. Okay, so it's like a felt tip liner. Let's see how black it is. Oh, I'm quite impressed with that. That's quite black. Let's try and do it. And that's really precise as well. So, like that. I need to master liquid eyeliner. So that might be just the tool for that. Again, that's the full size as well. Now it says I've also got some bonus items in here. Well, a bonus item. One of those is a candy cane. But if I delve into the box, I've also got a spacemask.com's Interstellar Relaxation even, which is a pouch contains a self-heating eye mask which will transform you to another dimension, reviving tiredness, eye strain and many other earthly tensions. The warmth comes alive as soon as you open it, so make sure you're fully reclined and ready to lift off. And that's what the package is. So that'd be interesting. I've not really used any eye masks before. And just wanted to show you inside, all of the actual packaging that holds the products is all cardboard as well. So again, you can recycle that. So my first thoughts on a subscription box is, for me, I love the fact that I know that everything is cruelty free, and some of it also mentions being vegan, which is great as well. You've got a good mix of products here. So I've got a lip, I've got a blush, I've got eyeshadow, I've got eyeliner and a brush. So apart from foundation and concealer, I've pretty much got like a full face there, which is good. And every single product I've got in this box this month is a full-size product, which I can't grumble at. So the value of the box, 18... value of the box in terms of retail prices is nearly £50, which I think is really good. Obviously, I don't know what value subscription I've got, but I'm really impressed with those products. So keep an eye out in maybe some future videos. I might use some of those products to do a tutorial. I hope this was interesting. I will leave all of the information below about the subscription service, how you can subscribe, and also maybe their social media links and stuff like that. It's actually that it says there, win your January box. Tag us in a picture of your box on Instagram, Twitter or Facebook. Use the hashtag the Cruelty Free Beauty Box. Might have to try that then. So yeah, that was today's video. Like I say, I hope that was interesting. I haven't really heard a lot of people talking about the Cruelty Free company, so I thought it would be good just to show you what's on offer, and that there are subscriptions boxes out there that do cater for anyone that's looking for cruelty free items. I know for certain I am now, whenever I'm out and about, looking for anything that's actually cruelty free. So yeah, so that is my first look at that. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.